The 2001 Toyota Tundra faced critical frame rust issues that raised serious safety concerns, prompting a large-scale recall. Owners also encountered significant mechanical failures, particularly within the cooling system. In a similar vein, the 2004 Ford F-150 became infamous for its spark plugs ejecting from the engine, resulting in alarming incidents for drivers. Additionally, rust problems in the body panels compromised the truck's structural integrity. The 2013 Ram 1500 presented severe rust challenges, especially in colder climates, diminishing its appeal. Many owners also reported issues with the suspension and fuel systems, undermining its overall performance. Transitioning to the 2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty, early frame rust and unreliable turbochargers emerged as significant issues. These flaws not only led to power loss but also resulted in costly repairs, contradicting the truck's marketed heavy-duty image. Meanwhile, the 2006 Dodge Ram models developed a reputation for transmission breakdowns and front suspension problems. Such defects often left drivers feeling unsafe, damaging the brand's reputation. In recent years, the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado struggled with transmission failures and poor interior build quality. Many owners experienced water leaks and general discomfort, feeling disillusioned by the vehicle's promised reliability. Additionally, the 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 faced significant challenges with excessive oil consumption and failing braking systems. These issues contributed to unpredictable driving experiences and raised safety concerns among its users. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator also disappointed numerous owners due to its unreliable four-wheel drive system and various electrical issues, which undermined its intended image as a capable off-road vehicle. Turning attention to the 2015 Dodge Ram 2500, owners reported persistent turbocharger failures and transmission troubles. These issues led to unexpected power losses and substantial repair costs. Along similar lines, the 2008 Ford F-250 and F-350 models struggled with high-pressure fuel pump failures, resulting in hard starts and engine stalls. Many owners found these issues highlighted the model's lack of dependability. The 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid was not without its problems either, as its battery system frequently failed, leading to inconsistent power delivery and safety risks. Furthermore, transmission issues added to driver frustrations with rough shifts and breakdowns. Moreover, the 2008 Chevrolet Colorado was plagued by mechanical failures such as cracked cylinder heads, which resulted in costly repairs. Electrical system failures further tarnished its reputation among owners seeking reliability. The Nissan Titan also faced significant drivetrain failures that led to immobility and strange vibrations. These issues raised concerns about its reliability, particularly for heavy-duty tasks. Similarly, the Chevrolet Silverado encountered numerous electrical malfunctions, including infotainment glitches and delayed engine responses. Such problems severely impacted driving safety and convenience. In addition, the Nissan Frontier dealt with overheating and transmission issues, which resulted in costly repairs. Many drivers began searching for more reliable alternatives in the market. The Chevrolet Avalanche was recognized for its fragile suspension systems, which caused uneven handling and instability when carrying heavy loads, ultimately affecting driver confidence. Moreover, Toyota Tacoma owners reported premature wear on drivetrain components, leading to costly repairs and frustration regarding its advertised longevity and performance capabilities. Lastly, the 2008 GMC Canyon suffered from frequent engine misfires and suspension issues, ultimately resulting in poor performance and instability. This created substantial maintenance challenges for many drivers.